Hey guys, welcome back to my personal pool. If you've been watching over the last 3 days, we went from a plain backyard to installing the pool, liner, and getting the water in. We definitely and 100% thank you for everyone that came and helped us with this project. A lot of people have been asking and been following us on our social media, asking, well, what's next? What kind of concrete? What are we doing around the pool? Well, guess what? Stay tuned, because you're going to see every bit of that process and what my wife and the team have envisioned on what we want back here. You're going to be very, very, very excited to see what's going to go, all the extra equipment, all the accessories that we've put on this pool. So once again, stay tuned. You're going to see the process up to now, and then we're going to be filming, getting all the footage for you to see the entire project all together. So stay tuned. Hashtag Pool Guys, American Pool and Spa, Richmond, Kentucky. Hey, someone's calling out about a pool quote. Thank you.